A whip coral goby, a tiny fish underwater in the Philippines. And I got a little bit too close, and what does it do? It escapes. Let's look at this in slow motion. This is the typical fish sea start escape reflex. The fish bends like the letter C. Now let's look at another goby. This is an amphibious goby, a mudskipper. Same thing. In slow motion, you can again see the sea start escape reflex. So you know by now probably that gobies fascinate me. This is a dwarf goby of the genus Aviota. This fish is less than 2 centimeters in total length, so escaping at the right time and escaping quickly is highly critical for these small fishes. I've written an academic paper with my friends Joe and Bart. I link to it in the description, check it out. More about Goby Escapes. Now, there is more news. So these are venomous catfish, striped eel catfish, and I'm very happy to announce that I put together a documentary about venomous marine organisms with amazing people at Terra Mata. Very cool crew there, very nice to work with, and this will come out in the next few weeks. So of course I will announce this on this channel. Stay tuned. Now, there are more cool news. As you might have noticed, I got myself a drone, or to be more precise, my sweetheart gave me one for my birthday. This really awesome, in my opinion, shot of the sunrise and the reflection of the clouds in the ocean I shot on Siquijor Island in the Philippines. Now, I'm not gonna stop posting underwater footage, but I plan to post more drone footage. What do you think? I mean, do you enjoy these kinds of shots? Leave a comment. Let me know. See you soon.